Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your HP Chromebook 14A. In order to factory reset it, you will need to go to the settings. Now in the settings, go to System Preferences and scroll down. And you'll see Powerwash. It will remove everything on your device, of course, just like the device was new. And it's worth noting that there is a second method of doing that, and you can watch it in a video on how to reinstall Chrome OS. And that second method should be used if you cannot do it through the first method because, for example, something's corrupted on your system or you don't have access to your user account right now and want to do it but can't log in, right? So I'm gonna click on reset, now click on restart and wait a moment until it finishes. It will not take too long. In a moment it'll be just like a new device. You can see it shows this pop-up. Click on Powerwash, continue, and now let's wait. And it's done. It was very simple. I didn't even speed up the video. So let's click on get started and you can set up the device. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one.